My name is Jeffrey Whitehead, and I'm a mechanic, Charlestown Bus Garage. First thing in the morning, normally the boss comes out and he'll give everyone a work order. I go get my bus, I bring it in. Normally I set it up, put my jack stands and stuff like that, and get my parts and my tools. That's the beginning of every morning. It's gratifying because I do brakes. That's a very important part of the bus. I mean, if the bus runs very well, that's a good thing, but if it doesn't stop, that's not a good thing. So I take a lot of pride in making sure that the buses I work on, the brakes are done best of my ability. These vehicles are very high maintenance. I mean, we all know how to do a lot of different things, but everyone has their specialty. So most of the time, that's what they'll do. Like I said, mine is suspension and brakes. If I'm not mistaken, at this garage, if we had every single bus available, it would be about 250, which takes a lot of maintenance. The general rider gets on the bus and goes to their destination. They don't know what it takes to keep these vehicles on the street every day. Well, I started in '02, but as a fueler. I fueled here 4 years, then I took the mechanics test, and I've been on the floor for 18 years, so a total of 22 years as of June that just passed. I come to work to do a job, and I try to do that to the best of my ability, and the bosses, they appreciate it, so it's a good feeling when you can go home and say you honestly gave your best. I've been doing that since day one.